Every day, life leaves its marks, but every motion gives life back. It starts by understanding. Feel it once. Less measuring, more living. Every turn brings care deeper. Every roll brings moments together. More space to move. More life to enjoy. Bubbles make everything feel new. Invisible protection for every little touch. Soft, dry, and ready to become anything. Care finishes quietly. Every motion gives life back.